Today, guys, I will be eating a noodles called Jjamppong. It's apparently from Korea. So I will be eating it now. I will be cooking this in like a transition. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, guys, it's cooked now. I'm going to get a fork, and I will be eating this. Look, guys, do you see that? It's some noodles. Now I will be eating it. After mixing it, so the flavor can get mixed. Then I'll be eating it. 3, 2, 1. So yummy, guys. I'll be eating this lots of times. So spicy. Mix it so the spiciness can mix with the noodles and it'll be more yummy. More yummy. It's really hot, so this is why I blow it. Okay. So you don't get like diseases like cancer and stuff like that, like life-threatening diseases as I said before. And this is very unhealthy, so do not eat a lot of this per year. Only eat like 12, but only 12 in 1 year, or probably like none. We'll mix it again. Sorry if you can't see it, but I'm sorry, it's really good. Not even that spicy. We have like a spice tolerant. Let's get this. Wow. It has like vegetables in it, but it's still unhealthy. There's no more because I eat it all almost all. Getting a little bit spicy, not as much. Other spicy noodles. I'm trying to drink this, but I don't want to. I'm full. I'm not going to. That's hot. So much. I'm ready. It's really burning. 3, 2, 1. It's too spicy. I can't have it. Ooh, a lot. I mean, a lot. That's really a lot. It's so small. I'm going to eat it all. I'm going to eat it all. I'll show you when I'm going to end the video. No, I'm not going to end the video right here. This is going to be like a cut, so I'm going to show you things how I eat it all. I'm going to leave this in by. Wait a minute. No, I'm not buying it. I'm not done. I'm going to be staying here. Yes, I'm going to be staying here. Once the video cuts back, there's gonna be no stuff. Okay, guys, I'm done. Once again, do not buy this when you already ate one of these. Or like any cup noodles or like some sort of noodles. Something like noodles. Something like noodles, don't eat that twice a month. It's okay if you eat it like once a month. It's still healthy.